So you will be needing a construction paper, 2 popsicle sticks, scissors, a pipe cleaner, a string, and tape or glue. You should find most of these items inside of your camp box kit. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have your 2 popsicle sticks in a T shape as shown. And then make sure that you grab the pipe cleaner and wrap it around the intersection of the 2 popsicle sticks. Also, make sure that the back of the popsicle sticks are also tight. So now we are going to start off by cutting a piece of string from the string that should be found in your box kit. You can cut it up to as long as you want, but I like to keep mine short. The next thing you should do is grab your popsicle stick and put it in the middle of the construction paper. Grab a pen, a pencil, or a marker, and then try to outline the kite shape using the popsicle sticks. It's a little light for me, but you get the gist. What you're going to do next is grab your scissors and start cutting out the shape that you drew. And then what you're going to do next is grab your piece of string and you are going to tie it on the bottom popsicle stick. Make sure that it's tight. Double or triple knot tie it if you have to. Now grab some piece of tape or glue. I feel like it's best to use tape. Now I am taping the sticks onto the kite. As you can see, my kite isn't as big as I wanted it to, so it's going to be a little shorter, but it still works, it's still great, and it still gives you a lot of space to design.